Simplify 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 by root 3. The question may look like a difficult one because of the presence of root 3 in the denominator of one of the fractions. But believe me, it is not. Just follow the steps and you will get the answer. Let's start solving it. The given expression is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 upon root 3. So here we have root 3 in the denominator. That means it will be good if we rationalize the denominator of this fraction before moving ahead. So let's do this. 7 divided by root 3. The rationalization factor will be root 3 in this case. So we multiply root 3 in the denominator as well as in the numerator, which gives us 7 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So instead of 7 by root 3, now we can write 7 root 3 by 3 in the given expression. It means 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 upon root 3 can be written as 3 root 3 plus 2 root of 27 plus 7 root 3 upon 3. Reason? We have already rationalized the denominator and got the value of 7 by root 3 as 7 root 3 by 3. So we have simply substituted the value. Now if you see, it is a very simple expression which can be solved very easily. This is equal to, there is no denominator here, that means we can put 1. No denominator here, that means we can put 1. Taking the LCM of 1, 1 and 3, we get 3 as the LCM. Now 1 3s are 3 and 3 into 3 is 9 root 3 plus 1 3s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 root 27 plus 3 1s are 3 and 1 into 7 root 3 gives us 7 root 3, which is equal to, looking at the expression, we can see that we have root 3 over here, we have root 3 over here, but no root 3 over here. If we can get it in the form of root 3, we can take root 3 common out of the entire fraction, that is from the numerator. So, can we do this? If you look at 27, this can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So it simply means we already have 9 root 3 over here plus 6. Root 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 plus we have 7 root 3 and this entire numerator is divided by 3. Taking it further, we get 9 root 3 plus 6 into, here we have 3 into 3. So this can be pulled out of the square root radical, thus giving us 3, and inside we are left with root 3 plus 7 root 3 divided by 3, which is equal to, now we can take root 3 common as it is present in all the 3 terms. So here we are left with 9 plus, here we are left with 6 into 3, and if we multiply we get it as 18 plus 7 and this whole divided by 3. Now simplifying it further, we get root 3. 9 plus 18 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 8, 17 plus 7, 24. So we get 4 here. 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 34. So here we can write 34 upon 3, which can be written as simply 34 root 3 divided by 3, as it cannot be simplified any further, and that is our answer. So you see, it is easy, it is simple. You only have to start doing it, follow the rules, follow the procedures, and don't make careless mistakes. You will get the answer in no time. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.